So, surprise natin si Intrepid ng Happy Valentine's Day. Hindi niya alam na bumili ako ng flowers tsaka pabalon. Ngayon, papasok na ako. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day po. Saan for you?
Hello, thank you.
Hawakan mo.
Thank you, Buddha. Hello? Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I love you. Thank you po.
Happy and Sai-Sai. Happy Valentine's Day din to, Sai-Sai.